Obviously causing a few problems out there. Just want to go ahead and go through some cameras. This just happened. This is in Denton County. This is a look at I-35. That should say I-35 at Oak Street. Reports of high water in that area. You can see only a couple of lanes open to begin with, and one is currently blocked as a result of that collision. Another area we're watching south of that. This is also in Denton County in Louisville, I-35E. I-35E southbound, an accident blocking one of the express lanes at FM 1171 Main Street. Let's go ahead and take a look at that location on our map. So you can see your map's pretty green, but obviously this is sort of deceiving at this point, especially if you're traveling through the areas where we're experiencing weather like Denton County, because obviously that's going to cause some slowdown there. I-35 southbound, once again, one of the express lanes blocked there at FM 1171. Also watching another problem that is still ongoing. This is a closure from the weekend. I-30 westbound in Arlington, still closed from Fielder Road to East Chase Parkway. You can see they're getting some rain there as well. Where it's a little drier, we have an accident blocking one lane. I-45 northbound at I-20. This is in Dallas County, the southeast portion of Dallas County. And just taking a look at that map overall, let's go ahead and watch the areas where we're getting a lot of precipitation affecting I-35W, I-35E there in Denton County. Hopefully I can show you just a couple more cameras real quick what you're experiencing if you're heading out along I-35E at Corinth. Look at all that ponding on the roadway. Also keep in mind it's dark, and it's obviously harder to see where you have these dips where water can gather more quickly along the highways and the interstates. Watch your speed. Mark?